When it comes to window installation, homeowners in Bluffdale understand that quality and precision are critical for maintaining energy efficiency, structural integrity, and a pleasing aesthetic. However, the process often involves common pitfalls that can lead to increased costs, energy inefficiency, or even damage to your home. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or installing new ones, steering clear of these mistakes will save you time, money, and stress. Skipping the measurement stage. One of the most common mistakes during window installation is inaccurate measurement. Windows that are too large or too small will lead to gaps, uneven installation, or excessive caulking to make up for the mismatch. Precise measurements are critical for a proper fit that not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also maintains your home's energy efficiency. A simple rule: measure twice, install once. Consider hiring professionals who can guarantee the most accurate sizing for your new windows. Ignoring local climate conditions. Bluffdale's climate brings its unique challenges. With fluctuating temperatures, hot summers, and cold winters, choosing the wrong window type can lead to inefficiencies and even damage over time. A common mistake is opting for single-pane windows in areas that would benefit greatly from double or triple-pane alternatives. Properly installed energy-efficient windows with the right insulation properties can make a significant difference in reducing energy costs and keeping your home comfortable throughout the year. Improper sealing and insulation. If your windows are not sealed correctly, they can cause a host of problems, including water leaks, drafts, and heat loss. Improper sealing and insulation around windows allow air and moisture to enter, compromising your home's energy efficiency and potentially leading to mold growth and water damage. Use high-quality caulking materials and pay close attention to the window frame edges to ensure a tight seal that will keep air and water out. Choosing the wrong material. Selecting the right window materials for your home's needs is crucial. Wood, aluminum, vinyl, and fiberglass all have their own advantages and disadvantages. Some homeowners mistakenly select a material solely based on cost without considering durability, maintenance requirements, and suitability for Bluffdale's climate. Vinyl windows are popular due to their affordability and energy efficiency, but depending on the home's design and local climate, other materials like fiberglass might offer better insulation and strength. DIY installation without experience. Many homeowners opt for do-it-yourself window installation in an attempt to save money. However, without the proper experience, this can lead to costly mistakes. Incorrectly installed windows can cause serious structural issues and even void the warranty on your windows. If you lack experience or are unsure about your skills, it's best to rely on professional window installers in Bluffdale who have the knowledge and tools necessary to ensure the job is done correctly. Not leveling and securing windows properly. A poorly leveled window not only looks unattractive but can also cause operational issues, making it difficult to open and close. It may lead to increased wear on hinges and locks, causing them to break down over time. Proper leveling and securing during installation are key to ensuring smooth operation and a durable fit. Neglecting building codes and permits. Homeowners sometimes overlook necessary permits and building codes when installing new windows. Bluffdale, like any other city, has specific regulations to follow for window installation. Ignoring these requirements can lead to fines or having to redo the work altogether. To avoid legal and financial headaches, familiarize yourself with local building codes or work with contractors who understand Bluffdale's regulations. Forgetting proper drainage. Another common oversight during window installation is failing to account for proper drainage. Without proper water management, rainwater can accumulate around the window frame, eventually seeping into your home and causing structural damage and mold growth. Ensure your windows have weep holes and that the surrounding area is properly sloped for drainage. Underestimating maintenance needs. Finally, many homeowners forget that windows require ongoing maintenance to preserve their function and appearance. While vinyl and fiberglass windows are generally low maintenance, wood frames may require more attention to prevent rot and wear. Understanding the maintenance needs of your chosen materials will keep your windows performing their best for years to come. Conclusion. Installing new windows is a significant investment for Bluffdale homeowners. By avoiding these common mistakes, measuring precisely, selecting the right materials, sealing and insulating properly, and following building codes, you can ensure a successful and long-lasting window installation. Whether you choose to DIY or hire a professional, getting it right the first time will save you time, money, and potential headaches down the road.